Did you know that 60% of jobs in developed economies are on the brink of transformation due to artificial intelligence? The International Monetary Fund has just released a report revealing this staggering statistic, setting the stage for a future where AI could redefine the global workforce. In this video, we dive deep into the IMF's findings, exploring the dual impact of AI on jobs across the globe and what this means for you. Let's get started on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the AI era for more insights into how technology is shaping our world. Overview of the IMF report. In a recent report from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, a surprising discovery was made. About 60% of jobs in countries with advanced economies might be affected by artificial intelligence. This news brings both worry and hope. On one side, it means many people might have to rethink their careers or learn new skills. This impact of AI isn't spread out evenly across the world. In richer, developed countries, the effect is expected to be bigger. These places have more jobs that AI can do, like tasks that require thinking and decision-making, which makes them more vulnerable to changes AI brings. But it's not all bad news. With AI, some jobs in these countries might become easier or more efficient, offering a chance to grow and adapt. On the flip side, in developing countries, the situation looks a bit different. Here, only around 40% of jobs are expected to feel the impact of AI. This is because many jobs in these areas are less about sitting at a computer and more about hands-on work that AI can't easily take over. However, this doesn't mean these countries can just relax. In short, AI is changing the job landscape around the world. In places with lots of technology and high-skilled jobs, there's a big shakeup coming. But in areas where work is more about manual labor, the change might not be as quick or dramatic. Either way, the future of work is shifting, and it's something everyone, no matter where they are, needs to think about and prepare for. The dual impact of AI on jobs. The future of work with artificial intelligence, AI, has two sides, like a coin. On one side, AI might change or even replace about half of the jobs in advanced economies. This means some people might find their work done by machines instead, which is a bit worrying, but it's not all gloomy. The other half of jobs could actually get better because of AI. This brings us to two big ideas: intelligence augmentation and job automation. Intelligence augmentation is when AI helps people do their jobs better. Imagine a doctor using AI to understand diseases faster, or a designer creating art with AI's help. It's like having a superpower that makes work more efficient and creative. Job automation, on the other hand, is when AI takes over a job completely. This is more common in tasks that are repetitive or don't need much human touch, like data entry or some manufacturing jobs. So, AI's impact on work is mixed. Sector and economy. Specific impacts. Artificial intelligence, AI, is changing the way we work, but not all jobs are affected the same way. Here's a simple breakdown of how AI might impact different jobs and the difference between higher-skilled and lower-skilled jobs. Jobs likely to be augmented by AI: healthcare professionals. Doctors and nurses might use AI to analyze patient data and diagnose diseases quicker. Creative professionals. Artists and designers could leverage AI to explore new creative processes. Finance experts. Analysts might use AI to make better predictions and manage risks more efficiently. Educators. Teachers could use AI tools to personalize learning for each student. Jobs prone to automation. Manufacturing workers. Machines could take over repetitive tasks on the production line. Data entry clerks. AI can process and enter data faster and without errors. Retail cashiers. Automated checkouts can handle transactions without human help. Transport and delivery. Self-driving vehicles and drones could automate deliveries. Impact on higher-skilled versus lower-skilled jobs. Higher-skilled jobs. These jobs are more about using AI to enhance the work being done. AI can analyze data or provide insights that humans alone might miss, making these jobs more efficient and opening new opportunities for innovation. Lower-skilled jobs. Unfortunately, these jobs are more at risk of being replaced by AI. Since the tasks are more repetitive and don't require specialized skills, it's easier for machines to take over. Global disparity in AI impact. Artificial intelligence AI is changing jobs around the world, but not every place feels these changes the same way. In places with less money and technology, like many developing countries, AI brings different kinds of challenges compared to what we see in richer, developed countries. Here's how. Challenges in developing countries and lower-income regions. Slower changes. In these places, AI isn't likely to change jobs as quickly as it does in richer countries. This is because there are fewer jobs that AI can take over or help with right now. Limited benefits. Even though AI can do amazing things like making work faster and easier, countries with less technology won't see these benefits as much. This means they might not get as much out of AI as richer countries do. Not as much tech. Developing countries often don't have as much technology in use. This means AI has less of a chance to make a big difference. Different kinds of jobs. A lot of jobs in these areas are about doing things by hand or working outside, which AI can't really help with yet. Need for more support. For AI to really help, these countries need more technology and training so people can use AI in their jobs. Social and economic implications. Changes in jobs. AI might lead to some jobs disappearing. This means people who used to do these jobs might find it hard to find work, which can be stressful and worrying for many. Money matters. As AI changes which jobs are important, it also changes who makes more money and who doesn't. Some people might end up earning a lot more, while others might earn less. This can make the gap between rich and poor people bigger. Why this matters. Social unrest. When people are unhappy because they can't find jobs or because the gap between rich and poor gets bigger, it can lead to protests or even bigger problems in society. Need for good planning? To avoid these problems, governments and leaders need to think ahead. They should make sure there are new opportunities for everyone and try to keep society fair and together. World responses and protests. Hollywood writers strike. Hollywood writers went on strike because they were worried about AI taking over their jobs, especially in script writing. They wanted to make sure that their creative work wasn't replaced by machines. This strike showed how even creative jobs are feeling the pressure from AI. Artists' protests against AI-generated artwork. Artists have also stood up against AI. They're worried about AI creating art that looks like it was made by humans. Many artists think this could make their own work less valuable or even take their jobs away. To show their concern, some artists have put together protests and campaigns to highlight how AI could impact their work. As we've explored the complex world of AI's impact on jobs, from the opportunities and challenges it presents to the societal and economic implications, it's clear that the future of work is evolving rapidly. So what do you think about AI's role in our future? How do you see it shaping your job or industry? Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative. Subscribe to Travelist for more insightful content on how technology is transforming our lives. Share this video to spark more conversations on this topic, and comment below with your views on AI's impact on jobs. We're eager to hear your thoughts and engage in this important discussion.